Hello everyone, welcome to Criminology and Penology lectures. In this video, we will be discussing the nature, scope, and significance of criminology. Nature of criminology. Criminology is an interdisciplinary field of study involving scholars and practitioners representing a wide range of behavioral and social sciences as well as numerous natural sciences. It draws specially on the research of sociologists, psychologists, as well as on writings in law. It is the sociologist that played a major role in defining and developing the field of study of criminology, and criminology emerged as an academic discipline housed in sociology programs. However, with the establishment of schools of criminology and the proliferation of academic departments and programs concentrating specifically on crime and justice in the last half of 20th century, criminology emerged as a distinct professional field with a broad interdisciplinary focus and a shared commitment to generating knowledge through systematic research. So, researchers from various backgrounds have pursued criminological research, including lawyers, doctors, sociologists, statisticians, psychologists, psychiatrists, biologists, and social anthropologists. It is the scientific study of the causation, correction, and prevention of crime from the viewpoints of such diverse disciplines as law, anthropology, biology, psychology, and psychiatry, genetics, economics, sociology, and statistics. Scope of criminology. The scope of criminology extends to the study of the causes of crimes and the development of criminals. Under these aspects of criminology, we study the reasons of criminal behavior and how and when does one turn into a criminal. Under this head, we investigate why do some people commit crime and why do others not commit crime? Why does crime happen at some places and not at others? What particular event or series of events happen which turn man towards criminality? Different types of crimes have different causes. Several criminology theories have been proposed to explain crime. Next scope of the study of criminology is the study of the origin and the development of criminal laws. How criminal laws are evolved. Under what circumstances different criminal policies are brought or changed to effectively reduce crimes, like different types of punishment and imprisonments to prevent crimes. Next is the study of the different factors that enhances crime, such as criminal sociology, which study the effects of social conditions on crime and criminals, including the machinery of justice and the evolution of criminal law and punishment. Criminal psychiatry, the study of the human mind in relation to criminality, like what are the thoughts and the intentions of criminals? What is their reactions after commission of crime? Criminal ecology, the study of criminality in relation to spatial distribution on a community. It investigates how exposure to different area or place influence criminal actions. Criminal demography, study of the relationship between criminology and the population, like uh, there is more crime in cities where there is more population than in villages where there is less population. Criminal physical anthropology, study of criminality in relation to physical constitution of men. The link between the physical appearance of the criminals and the nature of crime are investigated under this head. Victimology, study of the role of the victim in the commission of crime, their relation with the criminals, etc. The study of the various processes and the measures adopted by the society for violation of criminal laws. Besides determination and knowledge of the causes of crime and the factors that generates and encourage crime, it is also equally essential to know what's, what is the reaction of society towards the violation of laws. How law enforcement agencies like police, judges respond to that. For example, the detection and the investigation of crimes, the arrest and the apprehension of criminals, the prosecution and the conviction of the criminal in a judicial proceeding, the enforcement of laws, decrees, and regulations, the administration of the police and the other law enforcement agencies, maintenance of recreational facilities, and other auxiliary to prevent the development of crimes and criminal behavior. According to Sutherland, the science of criminology includes within its scope the processes of making laws, of breaking of laws, and of reacting towards the breaking of laws. In accordance with the Sutherland description of the scope of criminology, we can divide it into departments or divisions, into three divisions. First one is sociology of law, how social conditions affect the ways laws are made, unmade, and enforced. Criminal etiology, it is an attempt at scientific analysis of the causes of the crime. Penology, which is concerned with the control and the prevention of crime. Significance of criminology. Criminology is important as it has historically played a reforming role in relation to criminal law and the criminal justice system. The principles of criminology serves as effective guidelines for formulation of penal policy. For example, there is a basic assumptions like no one is born criminals, presumption of innocence, that a person is innocent until proven guilty. The modern clinical methods and the reformatory measures such as probation, parole, indeterminate sentence, open prisons, and other correctional institutions are essentially an outcome of intensive criminological researches during the 20th century. These measures have sufficiently demonstrated the futility of dumping offenders inside the prisons and infliction of barbaric punishments. Professor Gillen has rightly observed that it is not the humanity within the criminal, but the criminality within the human being which needs to be curbed through effective administration of criminal justice. As an applied discipline, it has produced findings that have influenced legislators, judges, prosecutors, lawyers, probation officers, and prison officials, prompting them to better understand crime and criminals and to develop better and more human sentences and treatments for criminal behavior. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching this video on the nature, scope, significance, and division of criminology.